What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Starting a brand new video for you today. It is on a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. This is for a customer named Danny. He is out of Daytona, Florida. This is his second trip up here. The first trip we did a set of suspension max torsion keys, and I think with some 35-inch Nitto ridge grappler tires. And today we're going up to a 4-inch Cognito standard lift kit with 37-inch Nitto ridge grappler tires. Now we're going to be adding some upper control arms to this and the steering braces for the idler arm and the pitman arm. It's going to be an amazing upgrade. It's good for the longevity of the idler arm and pitman arm. It keeps a lot of that wear out of it, and it keeps a lot of the tightness in the steering. So it's really, really nice upgrade. Like I said, Danny's a repeat customer, and I appreciate him coming up here. We're going to try to get this one knocked out for him today. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like. Here's our amazing 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. Like I said, this belongs to a guy named Danny. He's out of Florida. Very, very nice guy. He brought me a little gift in here this morning. I know he works for the police force. He brought me a little challenge coins, what they call it. Really, really nice. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me when people go out of their way to bring me things. So getting into the truck, he did add these extended GM mud flaps. This is something you can buy as an upgrade for this truck on GM's website. We're gonna see. I think those are gonna clear just fine. I don't see there being any issue, but if not, we'll go back with the factory mud flap that's on there. Those won't touch. We're gonna do a little bit of trimming up here, just a little bit on the front to make that 37 1250 clear everything. But other than that, no wheel spacers, nothing like that. We're gonna be clearing. The Cognito kit does push your spindle out in the front just a little bit, so a 37 1250 does not rub on the inner frame and the inner sway bar like it would if you were just doing a leveling kit. About to get started on this truck. I'm very, very excited about this one. Stay tuned for the process. So the funny thing is we're doing two of these trucks today, and I'm filming two separate videos on both of them. So I'm gonna throw this clip in. They're both getting 4-inch Cognitos. They're both getting 37-inch ridge grapplers on the stock wheels. They're both 2024 GMC AT4s. One's from Huntsville, Alabama, and the other one is from Daytona, Florida. Just wanted to give a shout out again to you guys. So I'm not always able to do a video on every truck, and it's getting to be more commonly that I don't get to do a video as often as I used to. So there's just a lot of trucks coming. So I wanted to give a big shout out to this customer. He's around here somewhere right now, but looks like he came all the way from Arkansas just to get a leveling kit and some tires on this Sierra Denali. All right, so we are back, and normally I would be in the truck right now, and I'm not. So I'm standing kind of like where I would normally film the truck because it's kind of quiet out here. The truck is already on the road. It's already back home in Florida. The day that truck was filmed, I had to leave early, unfortunately, so I didn't get to do my closing comments on it. So I'm going to do the closing comments right now and throw some pictures up of maybe some of the parts that we put on. So this is a GMC Sierra 2500 AT4 out of like a little south of Daytona, Florida. We ended up doing a 4-inch standard Cognito kit with the upper control arm upgrade, and we did a steering brace upgrade as well on it. The truck got some 37-inch Nitto ridge grapplers on it on the factory wheels. So let me know what you think about this truck. I'm going to put a price right after this clip so you guys can see what this would cost. And then if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're in McDonough, Georgia, and I appreciate you guys watching.